It is a fun office. There is a lot of characters here. I like sitting next to Jimmy. He's great. He's Snowflake.
For a small area, there's a tremendous amount of talented people for our industry in this area. And that's why I think there's a lot of success here at James Stephens and Daniels.
You know, it's a family here. Met my husband here. Richard Williman is my husband.
Dog the Bounty Hunter.
Yes, yes.
Or
Dog.
Brad Pitt, as he prefers.
In 12 Monkeys.
Well, expertise comes with experience. No matter what, if you do something enough times, you know, you're going to find, hopefully you'll find a way to master.
This agency was the only one, to my knowledge, at least, that was built strictly from a collection standpoint. It was built by collectors, not by sales. So, and I think it shows in our performance.